Dr. Kiran Bedi, Mr. Nana Patekar, Dr. Sonam Wangchuk, Mr. Prithviraj Chavan, and many more. The adrenaline-pumping events of Technovanza like Robo Wars, Drone Racing, Aqua Battle, Hackathon, VRC, VMCO, and many more have attracted people from all age groups alike. Technovanza has hosted exhibitions from ISRO, BARC, LEGO, and has also hosted the world's first humanoid robot, Sophia. Technovanza became the very spirit of BJTI. Its pompous glory would leave the campus bustling with enthusiasm. Its technological extravagance would leave everyone astonished. Boasting a footfall of 80,000 people, it truly made for a December to remember. In the year 2020, amidst the pandemic, Technovanza became